companies to thrive today, they really need to deploy the latest mobile technology solutions that are out there to drive maximum efficiency, productivity, and workforce mobility. But at the same time, they cannot sacrifice when it comes to things like security, reliability, performance, and of course the management features that they demand to run their enterprise. Mobility Edge platform drives an integrated, repeatable, scalable approach based on a common hardware and software platform that helps companies wrestle with this challenge of mobility deployment. Mobility Edge is based on Android, as that's where most companies are moving towards today. It's really a unified platform that all of our mobility solutions are going to be based on, so it enables you to deploy faster, develop faster, and reduce your deployment and development costs, which is a tremendous expense for companies. It also includes productivity optimizing tools, which really enhance the data collection capability and enable workers to communicate more seamlessly and in a secure way. Mobility Edge enables you to get that connectivity to your mobile worker to help them become more efficient, more productive, or make their lives better. With such a robust and flexible platform at the core of the mobility infrastructure, really the opportunities for enterprises are limitless on this platform.